Hello everyone, this is Team Dourai from Buet bringing you ShebAI. I am Mesbaudin Ahmed, leader of this team, and here are my team members Nazmu Saqib, one of our lead AI engineers, Anika Morshed, one of our full stack developers, Omar Abdul Razak, another full stack developer. We have participated in numerous competitions and have garnered significant experience and are eager and committed to winning this one. This brings us to our problem statements. We are addressing a market failure in local services rooted in inconsistency and a deep deficit of trust. This ecosystem is broken on two fronts. Users are overwhelmed, they struggle with bad options, the lack of a mechanism to utilize past experiences, and are unable to distinguish between genuine services from fraudulent ones. For example, if someone wants their AC to be serviced, they should be able to mention whether they want to fill it with gas too. Being unable to include this critical detail may lead to miscommunication and an overall loss to both the client and the provider. Meanwhile, service providers operate in the dark, lacking critical statistics like demand trends and struggling to standardize their offerings. They also lack the necessary human resource needed to draw out insights from the aggregated data. As a result, they fail to reach out to their customer base. For solution, we propose a dual interface system, one for the user and another for the service providers, supported by specialized intelligent agents, review analysis pipelines, and automation mechanisms. For the user, the experience is driven by deep personalization. Our search layer is designed for local relevance. It uses multilingual embedding models to understand semantic queries in both English and Bengali, correctly interpreting a phrase like pipe leak thik kora proyojon dhanmondite as a plumber request. Once the service is complete, our expert agent uses the user's reviews and ratings to generate a concise, personalized summary. It doesn't just store history, it proactively captures the subtle details users often forget, like asking for a gas refill next time, and stores this data to guide their future bookings. When a user submits a request, they engage our core enhanced recommender system. Under the hood, this agent runs a multi-step heuristic-driven chain. The multi-agent process ensures the user gets a fully vetted provider list, eliminating the need for them to remember every necessary detail themselves. The user reviews undergo a fraudulent spam detection and sentiment analysis pipeline. This data is used to generate informed responses from the expert agent and the service quality summarizer agents. To ensure efficiency, we use retrieval augmented generation to query pre-stored data such as the expert agent summaries, significantly reducing expensive API calls every time. For the provider, we turn the complex data into actionable revenue. Our daily provider agents run once a day to automate high value business intelligence, which is too expensive for most providers to access otherwise. This entire system is enforced by the trust scoring agents, which updates transparent provider score daily based on classified reviews and service quality data. Our cost optimized design is the ultimate technical mode. By prioritizing RAG and caching, an average booking requires only about 7 AI calls. This aggressive optimization ensures our high value AI features are fiscally sustainable. For the models, we are aiming to use either OpenAI or Gemini based on how well they perform on our metrics. We will be using Python as the programming language, Flask in our backend, and Streamlit in our frontend. You can view our AI workflow here along with the cost estimation.
We begin by first filling out the required information needed to log in as a user and agree to share our current location with the application. This takes us to the dashboard page, which summarizes our recent activity as well as the user's recent expenditure. The Transactions tab provides a more detailed history of user purchases of services, and the Summary tab summarizes what the AI thinks the user is experiencing on the platform. Going back to the dashboard, we can manually search for services we are looking for or defer that decision to the AI model in case we have more important things to tend to. We will begin by first filling in the required information to log in as a service provider and agree to use our current location. This takes us to the dashboard page, which provides a helpful summary that allows providers to check up on the state of their enterprise at a glance. The Leaderboards tab allows providers to check the state of their competition and their relative positions to get a better grasp of the market environment. The Sales and Demand Report tab gives simplified graphical representation of data, which helps paint a clearer picture for providers. And most importantly, the AI Insights tab, which helps summarize all the data to provide actionable and relevant recommendations to the service providers.
There are four things that set us apart. The review analysis pipeline and data-backed trust scoring agent ensures that ratings are based on verified data, offering a reliable lens to view a market defined by inconsistency. Using Xperi Agent, the service actively learns and remembers service preferences and past feedback to provide the user with higher quality and more relevant recommendations. The daily provider agents deliver high-value automated business intelligence. Instead of requiring providers to sift through complex charts and data, the system converts raw metrics into specific actionable recommendations. The cost-optimized AI architecture utilizing caching and RAG ensures that the solution is financially sustainable, and multilingual support for both English and Bengali ensures that the solution is locally relevant. The use of specialized models trained on regional data allows us to provide a highly personalized, high-quality service that generic platforms simply cannot. The platform addresses the massive demand for local services fueled by high-density urban environments and severe traffic, which necessitates efficient, reliable online facilitation. Existing online marketplaces in Bangladesh are highly unstructured, lack proper customer service, and deliver inconsistent quality. We are not competing in a saturated market. We are positioned to define the high-quality, professional segment by enforcing structure and trust through AI automation. Implementing such automations will drastically improve the online service platform industry of our country. The immediate vision is to release a validated MVP, run a successful city pilot, and secure initial enterprise contracts. The primary objective is to validate unit economics, specifically proving that commission revenue substantially outweighs the AI costs per transaction. The goal is to optimize the AI pipeline until the total AI operational cost is maintained below 10% of our total revenue, ensuring a sustainable path toward the Year 2 and Year 3 scaling projections. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed our submission.